Hiya! I'm Daisy, and I love nature. Everyone always tells me I know how to enjoy the small stuff because I love to stop and smell the roses. Or should I say, daisies.
Hey, I'm Whisk, and I'm a chef. Being a chef is like being a scientist. You need the perfect mixture of ingredients, or it could explode. Or sometimes you end up making something new, and it's delicious.
Hey, I'm Splat, and I am an artist. Everyone always says, Splat, you bring color to my life. And I like to think that the world is my canvas. There's so much beauty and so many bright colors everywhere you go.
Hello, I'm Mr.Knot here. What were my lines again? Oh, that's right. Well, I'm not quite sure. Oh, yes, I remember now. Mitzy says I'm the wisest and strongest person she knows. I will leave you with this Knot quote, which is not too long. Your imagination is the doorway to your dreams. But to open that door, you have to believe it to achieve it.
Hi, I'm Jewel, and I'm a jewelry maker. My favorite part of making jewelry is taking beads of different shapes and sizes and combining them to make something new and beautiful. Jewelry can be subtle and simple, or big and bold, and everything in between.
Hi everyone, I'm Dude, and I love to help. I like to be everyone's right-hand man. Just give me a task and I'll stick to it. Sometimes I make mistakes, but everyone tells me it's okay because I'm learning.
Hiya! I'm Daisy, and I love nature. Did you know you can see math in nature? There's so many patterns and shapes that are all around us. If you have ever looked at a flower, a leaf, a tree trunk, or even a beehive, you've seen math in nature. Come on, come play with me outside and you'll learn so much.
Hey, I'm Whisk, and I love to bake. Using different ingredients, flavors, tools, and temperatures, I have endless possibilities on what I can make. Don't worry, I'll show you all my secrets.
Hey, I'm Splat, and I love to paint. Mitzy always stops by when she needs a new color. Did you know that you can mix two colors and get a totally new one? Don't worry, I'll show you everything I know.
Hello, I'm Mr. Knot, and I love to knot. I love to knit. It's quite neat what you can do with your ball of yarn and your imagination. Don't you fret now. I will show you my techniques.
Hi, I'm Jewel, and I love to sparkle. I love to make jewelry that's also sparkly. I love learning about all the different materials you can use to make jewelry, like clay, glass, silver, gold, wood, even paper. As long as you love making it and wearing it, anything can be jewelry.
Hi everyone, I'm Dude, and I'm a jack of all trades. Technically, I'm a dude of all trades. That means I can do a lot of different things, like color, measure, glue stuff together, and eat ice cream, and sometimes cookies.